Today, you will learn how to create your Order for Scoring Services form. Chrome is the preferred browser. Begin by signing into the Pearson Learning Assessment online platform at www.pearson.programworkshop.com. Click Tools from the black ribbon bar. Click Paper Processing Services from the list. The OSS form is required. You will indicate how many booklets will be returned for scoring. You also have the option of adding additional services such as Lexile scores or excluded groups. Click here. A new browser page will open. Click Create Order. Enter your district name. The district code will auto-populate. Select the test product from the drop-down list. Click Continue. Enter the test and address information on the OSS form. Note, if you have previously completed an OSS form, you will be able to click Copy Previous Address to auto-populate the address information. Click Save. Once the OSS form is saved, scroll to the bottom of the form to enter the school and grade information. If you have previously submitted an OSS form, then begin typing the school name or code in the field, then click on the check mark to view possible matches. Click Add Grade to add more grade level rows. Click Add School to add an additional school. Complete the school and grade information for all scannable test booklets and/or answer documents you plan to send to Pearson for scoring. Scroll to the top of the OSS form and click Submit. Click OK at the prompt. Once submitted, the Print button will appear. Click Print, and a PDF file will download to your machine. Print the OSS form and include it at the top of Box 1. If you need assistance completing your OSS form, identifying your school name or code, or editing a previously submitted OSS form, then contact the Pearson Customer Support Advocate team using the Customer Support form or by calling 800-328-5999.